As we have discussed about Satyagraha and the basic introduction of the Gandhiji in the earlier video, in this video we will discuss about Swaraj and his other ideas. Swaraj for him is not just from British. It means a spiritual meaning, means moksha or salvation. So self, and it is also means Swaraj means self-rule, means even for the meanest and the lowest category of people, not just for a certain category of people. For everyone, it means a self-rule. Sorry, and even more than freedom from all the restraints means for a villager, for him, according to him, for a person who is a villager, for him, he doesn't know much about British. For him, a local constable, he worries more about a local constable than a governor general. He needs Swaraj or moksha from the oppression from the a constable of during the British era. So Swaraj is not just from the British, but also from the oppression faced by the meanest category of people from the rulers, including Indians. Okay, rulers who are Indians, like liberation from the princely states and the Nawabs and other Diwans and other princes. This is what his concept. And there is trusteeship. For him, earn but to help the poor. He is not against amassing huge amount of wealth, but amass the wealth, but use that money in order to help the poor. So he asked the wealthy people, industrials, to be the trustees of their wealth rather than just ownership of their wealth. So, you know, greed. There is enough for everyone's need, but there is nothing for everyone's greed on this planet Earth. You can use that code in the examination, and his means is earn money to maintain an honorable livelihood and give the rest to the community. There was a lot of criticism by the communist and other socialists about this concept, but Gandhi's idea was earn but use that money, because if you are gifted with a talent or any kind of a means, don't say no to money, but use that money how much you need for to live a honorable livelihood and use the rest for the benefit of the community. And another concept is Swadeshi. Swadeshi is more than an economic concept with respect to Gandhiji. It leads to freedom from British. How? His concept of Swadharma, which is mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita, is translated into Swadeshi, means use your immediate services and serve your immediate neighborhood, and to the exclusion of the more remote resources, like use your community, be a part of the community, serve the community. He wanted to say that Swadeshi means interdependence of the community, both the members of the community to serve the community. If you see, this realization of the concept is uh, materialized in the form of establishment of Amul by Sardar Vallabhai Patel and other Gandhians and Satyagrahis. So it is being a part and acting within the community and from one's own community to serve others. It is more than an economic concept. So, as a part of economic concept, he said boycott the foreign goods, use khadi, use charka to make fabrics like that. Okay, and Sarvodaya, Sarva plus Udaya means universal upliftment, progress of all. And his another idea was belief in the masses. He and most important thing is his exemplary and extraordinary. Gandhiji was a successful political and spiritual leader, and from a normal Indian lawyer to a father of a nation, he was transformed because he was an exemplary, extraordinary speaker figure, leadership skills, understanding of himself. He read so many books on Bhagavad Gita, and his clarity in the thought and action, what he wanted, he has to give up in order to achieve his goal. He was such a great spiritual person. So what we can learn from him, and we can read more about social and economic contribution in the another video. Thank you so much for watching.